Hello there, and welcome to this CSWatch video for OCR J276, where the first of a two-parter we're going to be looking at some ethical issues around computer science. Now, three things we need to make sure we're happy, because these crop up on the questions in the exam. First of all, ethical issues are all about what is considered to be right or wrong by society. That's what an ethical issue is. We need to be thinking about stakeholders within it as well. So stakeholders can be groups or individuals who have an interest or can be affected by something happening. Stakeholders could be customers, employees, anyone who has got some form of vested interest in something. So what we're going to be looking at in this video, and also then in part two, is what is considered right and wrong in different scenarios. So if we think about privacy concerns, there's been a lot recently in the media about the rights for people, what should be shared, what shouldn't be shared, in regards to people's privacy of information. So when we're looking at these different things here, we need to be thinking what's right and what's wrong by society. Some things we've got on here. So for example, privacy agreements, how many people actually read what they are agreeing to? People thinking that, believing the idea that cloud services are always going to be secure with their personal data. When we're thinking about ethical issues in this sort of way with privacy concerns, we need to be going back to thinking what is right, what's wrong. If we're thinking about data which is being stored on a mobile phone, and you find that mobile phone, you know that as a human being, the right thing to do is to hand it in and give it back to somebody. The wrong thing would be, oh, let's have a look, see what's on there, and let's see what we can upload to internet to get a quick 15 minutes of fame. So when we're thinking about privacy concerns, we need to be thinking about what is right, what is wrong with people's data, and how we can find out and operate things with privacy. If we're looking at surveillance, again, this is going to be different for different countries. If you're watching this on YouTube in China, for example, good luck to you. I'm not sure how you got access to it, because there's some countries who just have complete internet censorship, that you can't access certain websites in certain countries because the government say, no, you're not allowed to. Ethically, is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? I can't answer that question. But again, what's right, what's wrong? For some people, it'll be fine. Other people, it won't be fine. Intelligence agencies using packet sniffers to see what people are searching. Internet service providers keeping logs of what websites have been visited. Is that always a good thing? Is it always for the greater good? Again, it's an ethical issue. It's something to be thinking about. So we've looked at two different ethical issues in this video. And with an ethical issue, there is no right answer, there is no wrong answer, because it's down to your perspective, it's down to your point of view. When you come to the exam questions, you always need to make sure you're thinking about different stakeholders. If we're thinking about online privacy of data, think about the stakeholders for that. Think about the groups who would be involved, the individuals who would be involved with it. Think about the different stakeholders in terms of companies, in terms of citizens of countries. So, I hope this video has been helpful for you. There's going to be another ethical video coming up shortly, and I shall see you there. See you later.